Child is one step closer to getting a COVID-19 vaccine. The FDA is expected to give Pfizer the green light to make it available to children 12 to 15 years old. Thanks for staying up with Nightside. I'm Aaron Luna. This approval could happen in a matter of days. Right now, Pfizer's vaccine is approved for people 16 and older. The company says its vaccine provides protection to the younger population. Well, some teens we talked to today say they're all for getting their shots. New on Nightside, Kaitlin Knapp spoke to one teen about why she's ready to get vaccinated.
A federal vaccine advisory committee needs to discuss the recommendation first. If the emergency use is expanded by the FDA and the CDC adopts the recommendation, shots could go into more arms in a couple of days. If this happens, two girls I talked to say they're both ready to roll up their sleeves.
Almost half of eligible Washingtonians have had at least one COVID-19 shot. This number may soon grow.
Having our family being vaccinated is the fastest way to get back to as much normal as we can.
Kevin Benson is fully vaccinated. His 14 and 12-year-old daughters can't get a shot right now.
It's glowing inside, like it's just like a huge wave of relief just like swept over me and like, oh, I don't have to worry about this for much longer.
But this could change as soon as the end of the week. Pfizer is waiting for approval to expand its eligibility to children between 12 and 15 years old. If this happens, Ramona and Eloise Benson say they'll sign up right away.
2 little pokes and I'm done. They may be far away from each other, but it's still just 2 little pokes and I'm done.
The process didn't get to this point overnight. In March, Pfizer says an early report vaccine study showed there were no COVID-19 cases among fully vaccinated kids between 12 and 15. Children had side effects to getting the shot, similar to young adults.
We think the risks of contracting COVID are more than the risks of having our kids get vaccinated.
Though the FDA could approve this expansion, Pfizer says it'll track the children in the study for 2 years. The Bensons say they trust the science behind this and hopes others will do the same so we can beat this pandemic.
Yeah, and like the sooner this pandemic is over, the better it'll be for everybody. Yeah, just shots are scary, but it'll be over soon, and it'll help a lot of other people.
Moderna is also working on making its vaccine available to younger people. Results from its study for kids between 12 and 17 are expected to come out by the middle of this year. In studio, Kaitlin Knapp for News Nightside.